Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making a delicious, no-bake cinnamon pecan pie crust. It is so delicious, and it's perfect for lots of your different no-bake pies. You can put your no-bake pie filling in this crust. It's really easy to make, 5 ingredients. So the ingredients in this recipe are raw pecans, coconut or date sugar, kosher salt, cinnamon, and coconut oil. So we're going to go ahead and put all of our ingredients except the coconut oil in our food processor. We have 1 1/2 cups of raw pecans, and they could be halves or they could be bits and pieces. It doesn't matter because we're going to grind them up. Next we have 3 tablespoons of coconut or date sugar. You could also use maple sugar if you could find that. I have coconut sugar, and I buy this in bulk at a health food store. So 3 tablespoons. Okay, then we have a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. And if you don't have kosher salt, you could use another kind. Next we have 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Here's 1 1/2. So next we're going to put the lid on. Go ahead and process this until the ingredients are just blended. Okay, they're pretty blended. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Okay, now we're going to process the ingredients till they're finely minced like a graham cracker crust. I'm going to check it and also scrape down the sides. So actually it's looking pretty good. You can see it's squeezing together a bit. Might do it just a little longer. Okay, let's check it. Okay, it's nice and all crumbled up. We're going to go ahead and put it in our pie dish or tart pan, and we're going to spread it out. Pour it into my pie pan. Okay, I'm going to make sure you have clean hands. I just washed mine. We're going to press it out. I usually start on the sides, go up the sides first, and then I do the middle. And I'm not that great at pie crust, but we're going to be filling it so we won't see it. If you want your pie crust more moist and sticky, you could add a little bit more coconut oil. Okay, now I'm going to press the crust to the center. You want the bottom covered. If you want a really thick crust, you could double the recipe or make it 1 1/2 times. Okay, there you go. You want to go ahead and clean up the sides. And then you are ready to fill your pie crust with your favorite no-bake pie filling. So I'm going to be pouring something really tasty in this pie crust, so watch for it. Or try one of my other no-bake pies. Okay, I'll see you in one of those pie lessons.